Hello friends, today is June 2nd. We are going to prune these curry leaf plants today. These plants were indoors from November until May 15th and we brought them outdoors. These leaves, some of these leaves are black because we had few days where the temperature was below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's prune. So I usually do three things in spring. Number one, pruning. Number two, I remove these saplings and transplant them into different containers. And the third thing I do is I remove the topsoil and replenish it with the fresh potting soil. Since I'm going to be transplanting this curry leaf plant into this bigger pot, I'm not going to remove the topsoil. We can just transplant this. This was in this container for more than 5 years. Indoor potting mixture. I'm going to remove these saplings also and I'm going to repot them in those containers. Some people asked me why their plant don't have any saplings. These saplings are growing from the roots. So when you repot them, if there is a break in the root, then it will produce saplings. We are going to loosen up the roots. I got these many saplings from one plant. I'm going to transplant them into smaller pots. We are done with transplanting them all. We need to place them in a shaded area for at least 2 weeks until their roots are well established in the soil. I moved them into a shaded area and we will leave them here for at least 2 weeks until they get well established in the soil. We can water them every 1 to 2 days to keep the soil moist.